Hey everybody! Did you know you can use your Apple Watch to help you find your AirPods if you left them behind and your iPhone isn't available? This can come in handy if your iPhone is at home or the battery is dead. First, you can use Siri and say something like, "Hey Siri, find my AirPods." If you have more than one set of AirPods, then Siri will confirm which ones you're looking for. Once you've selected the ones you're looking for, it asks if you'd like to play a sound on them to help you find them. You can scroll down and tap Play Sound. If your watch can't connect, it will say, "Sorry, I can't help find your devices," and will redirect you to the Find Devices app on your Apple Watch. In my testing, I couldn't ever get the Siri method to work, but my friends had no issue with it, so I guess I'm just lucky. If it does work, it will play a sound on your AirPods to help you find them. If the Siri method doesn't help you find your AirPods, then you can jump to the Find Devices app on your Apple Watch. Just run the app and all of your Apple devices will appear in a scrollable list, similar in function to the Find My app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the desired AirPods and tap them. Then it will bring you to a screen with a map telling you either the current address of their location, if they can connect, or the last known address location. Below that, you can either try to play a sound on them if you're nearby or tap directions to get Apple Maps to take you to where they were last. Below that option, you can opt to notify when found or even turn on or off the Notify When Left Behind option. While the Find Devices app isn't quite as full-featured as the Find My app on your iPhone, it is pretty handy if your iPhone isn't available. This feature is even more powerful on cellular Apple Watches, since it will then be able to connect to the internet easier, as the GPS Apple Watch can only connect to regular Wi-Fi networks your iPhone uses frequently, such as your wireless home network. For more detailed information about how to find your AirPods, stay tuned to check out my video, Find My AirPods. I'll also leave a link to the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech videos, including tech how-tos. See you in the next one.
Hey everybody, welcome to my video about how to find your AirPods using the new Find My app in iOS 13. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Find My AirPods option so you can use the Find My app in the future if you lose them. And I'm also going to show you an easy little trick to find them without the Find My app you can use in situations where you know they aren't too far away. This is an update to my Find My AirPods video I did a couple years ago using the Find My iPhone app. The principles are pretty much the same, just some of the particulars have changed. So let's get to it. The first thing I'd like to share is the easiest way I know of to find the AirPods if they're out of the case and likely close by. In scenarios where you either fell asleep with them on and woke up with one missing, or you took off your shirt in the change room at the gym and they went flying out of your ears somewhere, open the music app on your iPhone or the device you were just using them with and play a song at high volume. Then you can just follow the sound of the music to hone in on their location and find them. I've used this method the most and found it to be really useful. But if this isn't an option, then the Find My app is your next best option. One important thing to note is that you'll need to have set up the Find My iPhone or Find My app with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch that you're using your AirPods with for this feature to be enabled for you. The AirPods themselves do not have their own GPS chip and essentially piggyback off the location data from the connected iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Once you've enabled the Find My or Find My iPhone option, it will be automatically enabled for your AirPods the next time you use them with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. So if your AirPods are lost, out of their case, and somewhere close by, you can use Find My iPhone or Find My app to find them again. If your AirPods are out of range of all of your devices and need to charge, or are in the AirPod case, the Find My app can still be helpful by showing the time and location where they were last connected. To make sure the Find My app is set up and the Find Your AirPods option is enabled on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod running iOS 13 or newer, we'll first have to make sure Location Services is turned on. On your iPhone, run the Settings app, then scroll down and select Privacy. Then choose Location Services and turn on Location Services. Now to make sure the Find My app will work, press the Settings back button from the Privacy menu at the top left. Scroll to the top and choose your name at the top of the main settings menu. Then scroll down and choose Find My. then tap the Find My iPhone option. This will bring you to the Find My iPhone menu. I would recommend turning on all three options on this menu: Find My iPhone, Enable Offline Finding, and Send Last Location. This enables all of those options when trying to find your AirPods or even other Apple devices to connect via Bluetooth, such as an Apple Watch. Now that the option is enabled, the next time you misplace or lose your AirPods, you can use the Find My service to help find your AirPods. There are a couple of ways to use this service. You can use either the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, or log in from any computer and use iCloud.com. To use the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, tap the Find My app on your device and choose the Devices tab in the middle at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up all the devices and Apple accessories that you set up with the Find My service under your Apple ID. Scroll through the list to find and select your AirPods. If they're not currently in use, this will show you their last known location on the map with full address information provided through GPS. You can get directions to the location or have the app send a signal to have them play a sound when they are in range. To use iCloud.com from any computer, open the web browser and go to iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and choose Find iPhone. Click on the drop-down list in the middle of the screen near the top, labeled All Devices, and select your AirPods. This will bring up their location on the map and provide you with the option to make them play a sound when they are in range of any of your Apple devices and share the same Apple ID. Those are the best ways to find your lost or misplaced AirPods. If you can't find them using the music trick I mentioned first, and can't find them using the Find My app, then the only option left is to start looking around with your eyes. Those are the only digital assistants to help you find your AirPods. Those are both a great help, and it's awesome that Apple added the AirPods to the Find My service. It's one extra tool AirPods owners have that most other wireless headphones don't have. But still be careful and try not to lose them, as it can be a pricey accident. If you do happen to lose one or even two of the three pieces, you can purchase a replacement directly from Apple. Currently they charge $69 US to replace each AirPod, and $59 US or $79 US for the case, depending on which case you choose, the regular one or the wireless charging case. If you're replacing the wireless charging case, I would recommend just buying a new one, as it's the same price as going through the replacement program. If you've lost two pieces, such as both AirPods and not the case, then it's cheaper for you to go through the replacement program, as a new set of AirPods costs either $159 US or $199 US, depending on whether you go with the wireless charging case or not. But hopefully, you'll never have to replace them due to loss. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.